So let's get this thing back on the car, let everything set up overnight, and we'll see what happens. So let's get it back on the car. All right, man. This your boy Crucial RC. Guys, I'm back at another part of this build, and we can see that we have it all together now for the most part. Now we got the isolator block on there, the head on. We got the piston stop in here now, just so I can hold it basically. I got the rear seal in, oil seal in. I didn't record that, but I'm gonna show you how I do the front seal. So here's the model number for the front seal, and this is the model number for the rear seal. I just bought an extra one just in case got a problem again. So we'll put that off to the side. I'll open up this front seal. Always check. There's a number on here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's a number on there. Right there. 12, what is that, 3255? Check to make sure the one you pull out is the same thing. 123255. Make sure you got the right seal. Alright. So, pretty close. So we have some of this I got from DDM also. See if I can find the number. There we go. Race Tech Ultra Slick Grease. Alright. This is for your seals. Take a little bit of it, put it on the inner lip of your oil seal, and you're good to go. So we are going to throw a little bit on there. Thanks to my man Sean over at Large Scale Forms. He gave me a little heads up on that, putting that a little bit right along that lip on the inside, just so as it goes over top of the crank shaft, it won't tear on it. Get a little something to ride on while you do the first startup. I'm gonna put a little bit on here. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the actual shaft. Never have too much lube, guys. Alright, so we're gonna take and drive this right over top of this shaft. Alright, we got it started. Now, what we're gonna use to beat that down on there is going to be a 15/16 socket and a soft blow hammer. Alright, so you want to get a socket that matches the outside diameter. You don't want to be too big when you're hitting on this metal, but you want to be right on that rubber lip, right, that goes all the way around that seal. This is perfect, 15/16. So give it a few light blows. Alright, let's get a little bit more. Alright, so that's in there. Oh, I don't know if you noticed also, I got a little mesh mod that I did to this thing, as opposed to trying to put the outerwear on there, crankcase outerwear. So I'm gonna try this. I've never done one of these. Came out okay, doesn't look too bad, but came out okay. So let's pull this piston stopper out for a second. We'll rotate the crank a couple times. Just make sure there's no binding still. The seal looks like it's good to go. Yep, it's good. All right, here's the flywheel. Let's get the keyway out of the parts kit. Don't forget your keyway on this thing. A Woodruff key, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget that on your crank. If not, your flywheel could slip, throw your timing off. So let's loosen this up. And we'll turn over the crank until we get the Woodruff key at the top. Let's see if we can see that. There's the Woodruff key. Put that in. Like such. And then right here has to line up with that key. Make sure you slide in like this. This is the front where you got your little attachment for your pull start. So don't try and put this thing on like this. Put it on like that. All right, so you line your keyhole up with the Woodruff key. There we go. See that down in there. Let's see if I can get the light. See that down in there. Can't really. Yep, there you go. You can see it down in there. All right. Let's get this started. Matter of fact, this is a 12 millimeter. Get it started by hand. All right. And I don't, like I said, I don't like using the piston stop to try and tighten that to try and tighten this flywheel nut up. I do not like using the piston stop for that. Instead, I will use my Bartolone flywheel wrench. I'd rather use that than to try and possibly break a hole in that piston again. So who knows if you know that's how it happened. You know, maybe I did something to it before or during assembly. You know, maybe put a little stress crack in there and it just worked its way or whatever. But ain't gonna do that again, that's for sure. So, all right, so there she goes. She's in there all together. All right. So put the new Killer B ignition switch, because like I said before, the old one had a couple nicks in there, so I'm not going to reuse this. I'm just going to get rid of this old piece and put the new one on here. All right. I don't want these to come off again. I should have did this when I had the other one. I ain't gonna go crazy with it, just you know, just a little tighten up. All right, there we go. My needle nose just a little bit on there. All right, now I'm gonna wrap a little bit of electrical tape around here just to protect these wires. All right, so here we go. Let's just do a little bit of tape around here just to protect these wires. All right. Side facing me. All right, here's the gap tool. All right. So, you know, nothing serious. Some people use a business card. This is actually a little bit thinner than a business card, but I'm just gonna use the right tool to get this done. All right. So don't forget your plastic spacers. Back of your coil. Now it's time for the gapping of the coil. What you want to do is you want to lift it up. You want to rotate this around. Rotate that flywheel around until just when you get the magnets right underneath of it. Take your piston stop tool out. Alright, get your magnets right underneath of it and push down on that coil. Get it to sit flush on that gap tool. Tighten it up. You don't want to kill it, but you want it to be tight. You don't want to break these heads off. You want that to be tight. Alright, so this should rotate right on out. See that? Rotate right on out. Pull that out, and it should be free. If you rotate that flywheel, make sure it's free. She's good. Clutch carrier. Screw facing down. Lock washer, split washer. Man, it's a Loctite, so I'm not gonna go crazy with that neither. All right, 6.4 for the clutch shoe. All right, guys. So we got it all back together now. One piece. Beautiful thing. And got an old spark plug in there right now. We're gonna put a fresh spark plug in a minute. But I want you guys to hear this compression on this thing now. All right. Top of stroke. Yeah. That compression off the hook now, baby. Alright. Let's get this thing back in this car, man. Oh, let me show you. Got the stud kit on for the manifold. Now I had to cut probably, I guess I'm like 2 to 3 millimeters off of this end and thread it as I put it on. Put the side on first and then use a 8 millimeter socket to tighten the side. Use an 8 millimeter wrench to tighten the other side. Alright, so let's get this thing back on the car. Let everything set up overnight and we'll see what happens. So let's get it back on the car. Alright, so here we are, all complete back together. Got the car back on there, got my lines all in, air filters back on, let's see what else. We got the coupler on, spring on. Got everything bolted back in on top, bolted back in on the bottom. Everything's ready to go. Got my tack wire tied back on. We got the trail tech set back at stock settings. Max RPM, nothing. Time today, 1.8 hours total, and 0 hours on this motor. So starting over fresh, put it back to RPMs, and we'll wait till tomorrow. We'll start it up and do this whole heat cycle and everything on this thing. All right, man. It's your boy Crucial RC, huh? I'll holla at you. I'm out.